How to replace the base enclosure. Removal. Using a flat-edge tool, carefully pry off the top and bottom rubber feet on the base enclosure and set them aside for later replacement. Using a flat-edge tool, carefully remove the two Mylar screw covers from the front of the base enclosure. Remove the 8 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Use a flat-edge tool to detach and remove the base enclosure. Replacement. Place the base enclosure into position over the top cover and press down firmly along the edges to reattach the base enclosure to the top cover. Replace the 8 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Replace the two Mylar screw covers. Replace the two rubber feet.